We have some histograms, and the math wizards required Excel graphical data charting. We implemented the kernel density estimation through Python to give us a visualization of what that looks like. In the chart with the red square, we can see and the charts are the same. Excel, the math wizards said we got to use Excel for better illustration. We came up with representation using the KDE. The peak in the histogram on CBC results, you can see is off to the left, and then the long tail that sweeps down to the right. And you can even see the blank spaces where the bins of that statistical collection didn't have data. Those are so these two that are the 17 on the 19 next to the bars here represent these outliers, which is what gave CBC the mean rating of 13.59. Omitting these outliers, CBC rating would have been lower and more in line with the cluster of where most of the data points fell. BBS, fairly decent spread across the different values. And then ABN, this the tight peak is going to represent a good clustering of data points at that 14 to 16, 17 rating was the highest volume and most closely represents normal distribution given its center tendencies here as represented in the chart.